How to create two-level Sankey diagram in Microsoft Power BI. Click on Create button. Click on Paste or manually enter data box. Paste your data. Click in the Name text box to change the table name. Click on the Auto Create Report drop-down button and click on Create a blank report. Click on three dots and select Get More Visuals. Search for Sankey diagram by VisioChart. Click on Add button to add Sankey diagram in report. Click on Sankey diagram icon to add in report. Click on Sample Data. Select Dimension and Measure. Click on Format Visual and expand Node Color Properties. Change node colors according to your desire. Click on the File button and select Save option from drop-down. Click on the Export button and export chart to PDF.